This is their natural kinky straight texture. Y'all, it is so flowy, the middle part. It is just a nice fullness, the volume, the texture. I absolutely love it. It has the invisible HD lace and melty fast scalp. Y'all, the cap and the lace is tinted. So to achieve that real scalp look, you don't have to do anything. It's already done for you. So cute. Oh my God, I love this unit, y'all. Okay, you guys. Oh, this wig is just so versatile. Okay, so just to give you a couple of specs on this unit. This is UNice's Real Scalp HD wig in Kinky Straight. It has the 13x4 lace and it is in 24 inches. So get into it. This is the texture of the hair. It is giving, this is mine, okay? It has the Real HD scalp, so it is looking like it's coming out of my head. This wig is beautiful, it's versatile, and it just looks so natural. You guys, you can also curl the wig. So if you wanted to get that natural look and do put a little curl in it, you can always do that as well. So let me just curl this one piece for you guys. Okay, bam. Curl. You can curl this entire unit if you want to. Of course, I'm gonna wear bust down middle part, so I'm gonna keep it straight, and all you gotta do is straighten it back out. Look at that. Straight, bone straight. So you guys, the full details of this unit will be down below. The link straight to this unit down below as well. They're having a huge huge sale. So you guys make sure you use my coupon code down below. They applied a huge discount just for my viewers, just for my best